Hey human, today we are celebrating the incredible bond between mothers and their irreplaceable role in our lives. I'll be doing that with this recipe. So I have cabbage, it's a cabbage recipe. I have eggs, carrots, my pickled onions, pickled peppers, tomatoes, and this recipe is just so easy and quick to put together. I cannot sleep on kitchen gadgets. No. One of the best things I have invested in is a food processor. Look at how I was able to chop those cabbages and the carrots in literally minutes, in short, seconds. So you want to start by stir frying your onions and your carrots and your cabbage together. You would do this for say 5 minutes. Bring in your black pepper. When that is ready, you want to put it aside because we are using eggs to combine all of this together. I'll be excited if you can join me on this journey as we explore a nutritious meal that is featuring cabbage, eggs. Now, it is rumored to rival even the most sumptuous steak dishes. Let's do this together to find out. So you want to whisk your eggs. I'll be using half cabbage, about 4 average size of carrots. I'm using 2 eggs for combining this. So in this 8 minutes video, we'll embark on a culinary adventure together, discovering the magic of this recipe step by step. I don't know if you have watched the video on how I made this pickled onions. Oh my goodness, it is the best thing since sliced bread. Alrighty, I bring in my pickled peppers also. It just makes cooking so easy, so quick. You don't spend a whole day in the kitchen. That's the whole idea of pickling your stuff. Alrighty, we are using the same pan. So in this pan, you want to grease the pan slightly with oil and then bring in your mix. In this mix, we have cabbage, carrots, eggs, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. That is all. So you want to spread it evenly. In my opinion, it doesn't really matter how you spread it, but you want to be able to have a platter that is inviting and captivating. That's the point in here. Alrighty, humans, I'm just making sure that our eggs stay in place and not running all over the place. Spoiler alert. So you want to cover this to steam for about a minute or 2 maximum. I will be introducing you to a game changer. So why do I say game changer? Because cabbage and eggs. Move over steak. Before I forget what I'm doing here. So this is coriander. It just makes your meals really delicious. And that's ready. So we want to flip this over. Voila, there you go. This dynamic duo, cabbage and eggs, it promises a taste sensation like no other. Why do I say so? Let's garnish this with that coriander that I chopped up. I say it's sensational like no other because it bursts with flavors. It has packed full in it, nutrients, and I'll just say the creativity, This recipe will leave you wondering why you didn't try it sooner. That was my experience after I had a taste of this. It was absolutely delicious. It's a recipe that I plan to have every now and then because hey, it's not just healthy, it's also quick and easy to put together. Alrighty, humans, you gotta like this video, consider subscribing if you haven't, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about this recipe. Is this something you have tried before? Is this something you are inspired to try in your kitchen? And please share with someone who you think will absolutely love this recipe. Have I said consider subscribing? And if you have subscribed, God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beautiful chick. And I hope that this recipe today has inspired you to cook healthier, to eat, and also to make your mama something really delicious. Today is Mother's Day, so what better recipe to put together for a mother? If your mom is alive, try this recipe. And you have to promise me that you are gonna come back to give me the feedback on how this recipe turned out and if your mama loved the recipe. Alrighty, humans, that's all I have for you today on my channel. I hope I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you and I appreciate you. And this was delicious. Alrighty, human. I'm out of here. I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of the video and the music. I'll see you in my next video.